Okay. So I've already kind of walked through these rooms, but I thought I would do a nice little video for everybody. So this was one room. Looks like the office. This is adorable. It looks modern. Made in Taiwan, but look how cute that is. I love it. Not sure what he is. Little pencil holder. Huh. That's funny. Okay. So anyhow, so I'll just do a quick scan around. Tape, CDs, I didn't look, but today is the last day of the sale, so I love Harry Connick. Oh, this is Harry Met Sally. I totally missed that. Yeah, the 50s. Eddie Money. I don't think there's any good ones left. Escape Club. Boston Pops, all brand new. That might be interesting. Thanks for the memories. This might not be a bad set to pick up. What else we have over here? Yeah, Elton John's greatest hits. That's a nice. Oh, it's not even in here. What the heck? It's not in there. Top Gun. Kind of sad. I like Elton John. Okay. I don't know. The Boston Pops play in my area. What are these? Thanks for the memories. Who plays on these? From 1978, 1988. Smoke Gets in Your Eyes. It's interesting. Very interesting. And then these are made tapes. There's nothing in them. That's too bad. Eddie Money. Oh well. So, I'm not sure if I'm going to get the Boston Pops. But they do play here at Tanglewood in my area. Oh, look how cute the bunny is. Little carved bunny. Oh, that's fabulous. $2.50. It might be. Oh, I have a bunch of these. This one says St. Martin, so I think I'm going to leave it. The ones I have don't say anything, which I like better. Look at this cool little light. Copper light. It's kind of interesting. $3. I don't know what that says. Okay, so I'll grab the little bunny. He's kind of cute. All right, so let's go to the next room. There's so many rooms. Thank you. Tons of wallpaper. Really cool lamps. I know. Amazing. Bunch of toys. All right.
Yep.
But it's nice to not have a farm paycheck because that's inconsistent.
Right.
Quick little
So,
toys.
and my kids are older now, so I'm not
So
like,
vintage trouble.
it gives me some
Little free.
well.
All right. And I'll take you into this next room. And then there's this room, which I did pick a bunch of little perfumes off of this room. And I pulled a couple. Well, look at that lamp. Love it. So here's all the stuff. Should I pick this up for $15? Is that a take or pass? 'Cause I'm leaving it. And these are beautiful. So anyway, here we go. Just do a little scan. Oh, I didn't even see these. These are cool. Look, we got some vintage pennies, shirts, or jammy sets. Pretty awesome. Look at that pillow. How cool is that pillow? That is awesome. Wow. This is cool. Feels like chalkware. It is. That's pretty cool.
Last hour, we're more than 50% off now.
Oh. You heard it here.
Let's see here.
I'm checking my face.
Notification.
Checking my
This
face.
is really pretty.
14.6.
Us?
This is
Yeah,
gorgeous.
Yeah, I checked that first plate that Drake London was in for them.
14.6. This one I used.
Yeah.
14.6. All right, we're doing good. Yeah.
All right.
I'm at the game.
This is a velvet. I think they were asking 45. It's gorgeous. Well, you heard it. Everything is more than half. Trump Castle. You know what? I'm gonna grab these for my dad. He doesn't need matches, but how do we open this? What kind of pen is it? I don't think it even says. I think it's a no-name pen. Yeah, I don't see anything on it. Okay. I'm gonna put this, where'd my basket? Oh, here. Okie-doke. I do like this. And this is beautiful. But I think we're gonna pass. All right, so let's keep going. Whew, it is very, very warm in here. Cancun, look at these. They look a little vintage. What is this? Cruises. Costa Rica. It's a shirt. Let's see if it's, how vintage is it? I think it's single stitch. It might be. Pretty cool. And what is this one? That's another shirt. Another single. That's pretty. An old Aruba shirt. Katoke. These are like Cancun pants. What else do we have for shirts? Not much. Not much. That one's pretty, but I think these people had a knack for taking the labels out. Look at this. This is pretty cool. This is Outer Banks and St. John's. St. John's. Okay. All right. What in the world is that? It's hard to tell what that is. All right. There's two shirts. All right. We're gonna keep going. We still gotta go up to the next level. Oopsie. My shirts are falling out.
Sorry, but it was so comfortable.
Keeping this so we don't fall. Okay. All right, so now we need to go up. This one's
Did you find the back room too?
Oh, yeah. I have. Not quite sure what these are. Vintage U.S. Air Force. Huh. Well, you know, I wonder if I took a bag down. Look at this purse. Didn't even see that sitting here. Didn't even see it. That one's pretty cool. Not 30. I don't think 30's right. Okay. Pretty cool. Well, let's see what we have for a bag. A little duffel bag. Or I can use. These. Okay. I'm gonna leave it. Leaving it. So 10. Man. Pretty old. All right. I guess I'll take it. That one and that one. We'll see what they say. Okay, let's go grab my other. Oops, I got a little thingy right here I'm going to grab. I don't even think I want to go all the way upstairs.
Is there another?
There's another floor. Oh, I know. I don't know. Do I want them? Do I want them? This one's amazing. That one's way too much. Berkshire.
Can you imagine cleaning this off?
No, I could not. I could not. There's Air Force. I'm gonna pop those in, and I'm gonna put this one in and see what they say. I'm just gonna see what they have to say about it. All right, you know, I am not going up to the third. I don't think I can make the third floor. All right. Okay. All right. I'm gonna put my little pile right over here by the stairs. I'll leave my stuff right here.
Sure. I will know it's yours.
Oh. Hi. Are you the caretaker of this floor?
I'm kind of wondering.
Kinda.
Yes, but
So
I can help you. What do you
I just heard that there was more than 50 now.
I think if you bring enough down,
Right.
he might make you a deal on some.
All right, so that's what I was thinking.
But some of those that he can do online, he won't go less than that.
What do you mean?
Depending,
Oh.
like if he can sell stuff online.
Oh, right.
So you'll have to check in with him.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna brave it. I'm dying.
Oh, you haven't been up there?
No.
Yet? Oh, well.
No. Oy. Oy. All right. Third floor. We made it. Oy. Wow. Okay. Oy, oy, oy. Oh my goodness. Oh, whoa. Wow. Huh. I don't know if I can't do it. I really don't want to sell big stuff like that. Wow. Okay. You know, I really like the glassware. And that's one of those. Hang on. Okay. Way too hot. Way too hot. Yeah. Not a vintage. Okay, curtains. Wow. Where else? Oh, those are some odd boots. They're falling apart. Huh. Oh. All right. That's kind of cool, but I think the front page is missing. the Jungle Book. Huh. So, if he's gonna, I'm gonna put that hat back. He's not gonna give me a deal. I can feel it. I'll feel it. All right. Whew. A little nooks and crannies. Alrighty. Man. Check this out. That's pretty cool. Alright. That's an old one. Alright. Oh. Even my feet are starting to sweat. That's not good. Not good. Alright. Yeah, lots of vintage towels, maybe. Let's see. Yeah, what does that say? Crafted in the USA, but what's it say? Hang on. Let's see. Texamar. Mark bag. Do you know what that even says? It says registered trademark.